What's the meaning of complicity? Complicity. Complicity.
Complicity. Complicity. Complicity refers to the involvement of a person or group in a wrongful act or crime committed by another person or group. It implies that the individual or group knew of the wrongdoing and either encouraged it or failed to report it. The consequences of complicity can be severe, ranging from legal action such as fines or imprisonment, to social censure and personal guilt. In many cases, complicity can also result in reputational damage, loss of trust, and long-term negative effects on relationships and community dynamics.